Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima, and you are watching Reimagine with Rima. And today's weather is very pleasant. It's so windy and cloudy. So as I was thinking of painting, the rain has started and it is always feel relaxed when it rains. When it is the first rain, obviously it's so calming, and I think that this is the perfect time when you can paint, you can relax, you can chill, and you can spend a quality time with yourself. So if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching my video. Let's get started. So I have this old glass jar with me where I have kept some pothos. So I have decided to paint this particular glass jar, and if I hang it, it look more beautiful. So I have cleaned it thoroughly, and now I am going to take out my Febricryl 3D outliner, my Febricryl glass colors. I have drawn a design on a blank paper, and now I am putting it inside the jar for a guide. And now with the help of the outliner I am doing the outline.